a Very Hungry Caterpillar by Eric Carle. What do you see on the page? What do you see? Ria, what do you see?
Caterpillar.
Caterpillar. Do you think it's happy?
Yeah.
How many legs does he have?
7.
7? 1, 2,
8.
3, 4, 5,
6.
6. Yes. How many?
6.
No. Okay, let's read.
버섯튀김 시작.
So what do you think these bees are, Ria? 이 그림 뭐 같아? A lot of bees. A lot of suckles.
Caterpillar eye.
Eggs 같아, eggs? Oh, okay. In the light of the moon, a little egg lay on a leaf. One Sunday morning, the warm sun came up and pop! Out of the egg came a tiny, very hungry caterpillar. 얘는 안 돼. He started to look for some food. 왜 음식을 찾는 거지? Why does it look for food, Ria?
Hungry.
Because it's hungry. On Monday, he ate through one apple. But he was still hungry. On Tuesday, he ate through 2 pears. 1, 2, but he was still hungry.
버섯튀김.
On Wednesday, he ate through 3 plums, but he was still hungry. Can you count with me? Can you count? 1,
1,
2,
3.
3 plums. On Thursday, he ate through how many strawberries?
4.
4 strawberries. Can you count with me? 1, 2, 3,
3.
4.
4.
On Friday, he ate through how many oranges? Yeah? How many oranges?
5.
5 oranges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But
They were still hungry.
still hungry. On Saturday, look at this, Ria. There are a lot of things to eat. He ate through 1 piece of chocolate cake, 1 ice cream cone, 1 pickle, 1 slice of Swiss cheese, 1 slice of salami, 1,
Lollipop.
yes, and 1 piece of cherry pie. What's this?
Sausage.
1 sausage, 1 cupcake, and 1 slice of... What's this, Ria?
Watermelon.
Watermelon. That night, he had a stomachache. 아이고 배야. Why do you think he has stomachache at night?
They just eat so many.
Yes, he ate so many food. Wing. The next day was Sunday again. The caterpillar ate through 1 nice green leaf, and after that he felt much better. 같이 caterpillar랑 같이 나뭇잎 먹을까? Do you wanna eat?
Yeah.
Do you wanna eat this leaf with a caterpillar? Let's count. 1,
2,
2,
3,
3, 4.
5.
Yes. Ooh. better.
Also shifting.
Oink. Now he wasn't hungry anymore. But he wasn't a little caterpillar anymore. He was a big, fat caterpillar. He built a small house called cocoon around himself. He stayed inside for more than 2 weeks. Then he nibbled a hole in the cocoon, pushed his way out, and
Butterfly.
yes, ta-da! He was a beautiful butterfly. Do you think now this butterfly feels happy? Why?
There you see the butterfly.
Now he became a butterfly, and look at the colors.
Rainbow.
Rainbow is so beautiful. Thank you.
Thank you for watching.